Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 16th block, which is perimeter. I hope you understood the concept of perimeter, and I hope you have remembered and learned the formulas for the perimeter of a rectangle and a square. Yes. Now, in the third topic, we are going to learn the how to find the perimeter of a given shape or rectangle or square. Okay, there are only two sums in this topic, children, but they are like word problems. Let's do those sums. A man runs around a square park and covers 1 kilometer in 5 rounds. What is the length of each side of the park? So if a man runs for 5 rounds, then it is 1 kilometer. Okay. So if he runs for one round, you have to find that. Then that becomes the perimeter, isn't it? From that, you can find the side. Here they have given that the park is in square park, isn't it, children? So simply you have to divide with 4, then you will get the answer. Okay. Let's do step by step. So number of rounds is equal to 5 and number of kilometers is 1 kilometer. So we have to convert into meters, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. You have already learned this, isn't it, children? 1000 meters. Now length of the side of the park will be equal to how much? Length for one round divide number of meters for one round divided by 4. Now we don't know number of meters for one round, isn't it, children? So you have to first find number of meters for the first round. How you can find number of meters for one round is equal to 1000 meters divided by 5. Because 5 rounds, isn't it, children? Because it is 5 rounds, we are dividing by 5. Why 1000 meters? Because it is 1 kilometer, we have converted into meters. 1000 meters divided by 5 rounds. Okay, so we need to do the division. 5, that is divisor, 1000, that is dividend. Now the first digit is 1, which is less than 5. Then you need to take 2 digits, that becomes 10. Now you have 10 in 5 table. 5 2s are 10. Now you need to do the subtraction. 10 minus 10 will be equal to 0. Now you have to bring down the 0. 5 zeros are 0. Now you need to subtract. Now 0 minus 0 will be 0. Now you have to bring down the 0, the last digit, 0, and 5 zeros are 0. After subtraction, 0 minus 0 will be 0. Now how many meters? Number of meters for one round is 200 meters, isn't it, children? So 200 meters, number of meters for one round is equal to 200 meters. What we have to find? That means perimeter of the square park is 200 meters, isn't it, children? Now we have to find the side. That is length of the side is perimeter 200 meters divided by 4. Why we are dividing by 4? Because 4 sides, right? 4 equal sides for the square. So that's why we are dividing by 4. Okay, 4 divided by 200. So 4 will be your divisor, 200 will be your dividend. The first digit is 2, which is less than 4. So you will take 20, 20. Now you have 20 in your 4 table, isn't it, children? 4 5s are 20. So 20 minus 20 will be 0, and you will bring down the 0 again. Now 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay, so length of each side of the square park is 50 meters. So that's what you will write. Now you got the length of the side of the square park. Okay, children. So in this way you need to solve the sums. Okay, let's see the next one. The sum of perimeters of two identical squares is 80 centimeters. What is the length of the each square? So here, children, perimeters of two squares, and these two squares are similar, same. Identical means same. Okay, so first there are two, isn't it? So this perimeter you have to divide by 2 so that you will get perimeter of 1 square. Okay, each square. Then you have to divide by 4 so that you can get the side of the square. Okay, so let's start doing. So sum of the perimeters of two squares is equal to 80 centimeters. Then perimeter of each square will be equal to 80 divided by 2. So 80 is the sum of the perimeters of two squares. Why we are dividing by 2? Because it is sum of two squares. If it is 3 squares, then you will divide with 3. If it is 4 squares, then you will divide it with 4. So here it is 2 squares, so we are dividing by 2. Now we have to do the division. 2 becomes your divisor, 80 becomes your dividend. Now first digit is 8. So you have in 8 is less than 2 and you have to check whether you have 8 in 2 table or not. 2 fours are 8, isn't it, children? 2 fours are 8. 8 minus 8 will give you 0. Now you have to bring down the 0. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0 again. So perimeter of each square is equal to 40 centimeter. Now we need to find the side of the square. So side of a square will be equal to perimeter of the square divided by 4. Length of the square 40 divided by 4. Because 4 sides, we need to add 4 equal sides, isn't it, children? That's why it is divided by 4. Now we have to do the division again. 4 becomes your divisor, 40 becomes your dividend. 4, first digit is 4, which is equal to the divisor, which is 4. Then you will write 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 will be equal to 0. You have to bring down the 0. 4 zeros are 0. Now 0 minus 0 will be equal to 0. Okay, then the length of the side of the square is 10 centimeters. Okay, children, so in this way you need to find the perimeters. Okay, so do these two sums in your classwork. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 43, S3. Find the perimeter. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the last topic of our block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.